critical thinking, and Google searching. These are some tips from Miss Winiger to help develop skills while searching for answers in your assignments and homework and research. If the answer doesn't sound logical in the Google search, it's probably not logical. Look for reliable and accurate sources of information like journals, scholarly articles. Use Google Scholar. .org or .edu websites are always good places to start. Analyze the text, use critical thinking skills in reading and previous knowledge to decipher what the correct answer is. Think twice and keep your mind open. Compare and reword searches or keywords as needed. Communicate your findings with others and check to see if your answers compare. Lastly, be creative. If the answer is not on a website or not in the first link that pops up in Google, keep diving deeper to find the answer.